Fixing NFL Sunday Ticket. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix NFL Sunday Ticket not showing all games. So let's get started. Step number 1. Understand what Sunday Ticket includes. Sunday Ticket is designed for out-of-market Sunday afternoon games only. That means if a matchup is already airing on your local CBS or Fox channel, it won't appear in Sunday Ticket. Also, primetime matches like Sunday Night Football, Monday Night Football, and Thursday Night Football are not included. Those air separately on NBC, ESPN, or Amazon Prime Video. Then check out for blackouts. Blackouts are uncommon, but they can still happen if a team does not sell at least 85% of tickets within 72 hours before kickoff. The game might be blacked out in that region. Cover your local and national games to make sure you are seeing all available games. Use an over-the-air antenna to pick up local CBS and Fox stations in HD for free. You can bypass regional restrictions if you're traveling or cannot see a specific matchup in your area. You can try a VPN and set your location to another region. This sometimes unlocks games that are blocked locally. Then double check your account and application. Make sure you have subscribed to the correct NFL Sunday Ticket package and add-ons. Also verify that your YouTube TV application and device software is fully updated and that location services are turned on so the system recognizes your region correctly. Troubleshoot streaming issues. A game still won't load. Try streaming on another device. Switching from a smart TV to a laptop or phone can sometimes help. Contact support if needed. If nothing works, contact YouTube TV or NFL support. Sometimes the issue is on their side, such as server glitch or a temporary outrage. Finally, if NFL Sunday Ticket will never show every single game due to broadcasting rights, but with a combination of an antenna, a VPN, or a secondary streaming service, you can fill in the gaps and watch nearly everything. Keeping your apps updated and your account settings correct will prevent most viewing problems, and if all else fails, reach out to support for help. And that's how you will fix the issue Sunday Ticket not showing all games. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.